What's up, KamaTV? It's your dating coach Emre from KamaLifestyles.com, back on the streets for another fun street interview. Today, I'm asking our lovely ladies, which is more fun, on top or missionary? Now, everyone has their go-to position that just hits the right spot, but the real question is, what do ladies think? Is it the control and empowerment of being on top, or the intimacy and connection of missionary? Personally, I think both have their moments, but let's not just rely on my experience. Let's see what our lovely ladies on the street have to say about their preferences. So stay tuned. Which is more fun, being on top or missionary?
On top. Being on top.
Missionary.
Being on top all day, every day.
Listen, I ain't gonna lie, she's shit on top.
I like missionary, but I like with the legs are like over my shoulders.
Missionary.
Missionary, okay.
Yeah. Let's go missionary.
Missionary.
I'll stay on top. Okay.
Okay, one on top, one missionary. Is
I want to join her on top.
Listen, I ain't gonna lie, she's shit on top. Shit on top. I do all the work, so
Man does the work. Yes.
it is what it is. She's shit on top, I'm good on top, so you know.
But we work together, we're a good couple, so
Okay, so how about you? Which is better, being on top or missionary?
not on top, but missionary obviously.
I like being on top. I like missionary because I like it when his arms are around me.
Missionary.
Being on top. Both are good. Both are good.
Missionary. Missionary.
Maybe missionary.
Missionary. Missionary.
Being on top.
Why missionary is on fun?
I like him on top and having his arm flat around me, I guess.
Because I choose the right partner to do it.
I think the personal choice.
Personal choice.
Yeah, I can't tell exactly why, but I think it's just personal choice then.
You like to be dominated.
She likes to be dominated. Is that correct?
Yeah, probably. It's more intimate.
So because more intimate.
Yeah.
Do you like the eye contact?
Yeah.
Do you like to be dominated?
Yeah.
All right, okay.
I like missionary, but I like with the legs are like over my shoulders.
Okay.
I think that, what is that called? Is that,
Kind of
I
missionary.
guess it's kind of missionary. It's a bendy missionary, isn't it? It's like
More upgraded one.
yeah, it's the upgraded missionary. I like that one a lot. More fun on top. More emotional missionary.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
More emotional missionary. So,
Like I feel like there's a bit more like love there when it's like
do you like the eye contact?
I love eye contact. Yeah.
Okay, so that's why you go for a missionary then.
Yeah, probably. Well, you could do eye contact on top as well, but it's less so. My hair gets in my face, you know, so it's not. It kind
Fair enough.
I don't know. I cannot disclose. Just is.
We can look us in the face.
Eye contact.
Romantic, romantic.
It's more romantic. The eye contact. So you like the romance at the same time.
Yeah.
Why do you prefer being on top?
I don't know, just a personal preference, I guess.
My boyfriend prefers it.
I don't know. I think they enjoy it more as well.
Because you have the control. So it's like you can play with yourself too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have the full control over the process. Guys, you're dead when they're on top, yeah. Well, folks, it's clear that preferences can vary widely. Some love the empowerment and control of being on top, while others cherish the deep connection and intimacy of missionary. The key takeaway is that both positions can be amazing depending on the mood, the moment, and the chemistry between you and your partner. My brothers, communication and experimentation are essential in any healthy sexual relationship. Don't be afraid to talk to your partner about what you both enjoy and why. Try new things, explore different positions, and always prioritize each other's comfort and pleasure. It's all about finding what works best for both of you and having fun in the process. If you're looking to elevate your dating game and need some expert dating advice, don't hesitate to check out our digital products and coaching services at KamaLifestyles.com. I'm here to help you overcome any dating challenges and become the confident, irresistible man you want to be. Whether it's mastering communication, building self-confidence, or enhancing your intimacy skills, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Did you enjoy this video? Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more insightful and entertaining content. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being the amazing person you are. This is Emre, and I'll see you on my next video.